Here I have 5 essential tips for you on how to make your OBS life easier. Number 1. Use nested scenes. Having hundreds of sources which you include in more than one scene, you can create scenes as templates and add them to your starting soon screen, live, intermission, and whatever. Only change your source once and it applies for all of your scenes. Number 2. Save resources. OBS can be a hungry boy, but why should an image that is not shown take up valuable memory? Click unload image when not showing to save your memory. Number 3. Sound alerts are being too loud. Using a sound alert service and some of your soundbites just blow up your eardrums, use a limiter in your audio filters. Do yourself and your viewers a favor. Number 4. Variable bitrate for internet issues. When your internet connection is wonky and you cannot push through the configured bitrate, you will be having frame drops. Check the advanced settings and enable dynamically change bitrate. Now OBS will lower your bitrate and just the quality when your internet connection is acting up again. Number 5. Rescale your output right. Rescaling from 1080p or more down to your streaming resolution in the encoder settings brings more load onto the encoder. Rather head over to the video tab and set the output scaled resolution there, which makes your GPU do that little job. GPUs usually have no issue doing that small amount of work. And a bonus tip number 6 for you, like and subscribe this channel if you want more of these. Drop your comment of what you would recommend anyone using OBS. Take care and see you on the next one.